In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a document management system in Notion. If you've been looking for an organized and efficient way to manage your documents, this tutorial will guide you through creating your own system using the versatile features of Notion. First, let's open Notion. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new table database. This will serve as the foundation for your document management system, providing a structured view for all your documents. To set this up, navigate to the sidebar and click on the option to add a new page. From there, choose the table database as your template. Now that we have our table, let's go ahead and name it Documents. This will keep things clear and straightforward as we progress. Naming it Documents will help you instantly recognize what this table contains, especially if your Notion workspace includes various projects and pages. Next, we'll set up the essential properties you'll need. Start by creating a property labeled Document Name and ensure it's set as the title property. This is where each document will be uniquely identified, so it's crucial to have this as your primary field. Add another property called Category. Configure this as a select property type, which allows you to categorize your documents by assigning specific types or themes. This property will help when you filter and sort through different kinds of documents in your workspace later on. Let's add the department property next. This should also be a select property. Assigning a department to each document can streamline collaboration, especially if you're working in a team environment where documents are used across different sectors or teams. Moving on, we'll set up the status property. As a vital part of any document workflow, configure status as a select list, showing different stages of your document process: draft, review, approved, and archived. This allows you to track the progress and current state of each document, which is essential for efficient document management. You'll also want an owner property, which should be set up as a person type. This allows you to assign documents to specific team members, ensuring accountability and clarity about who is responsible for each item. The created date and last updated properties are both essential as date types. These properties automatically track when documents were first created and when they were last modified. It provides valuable insights into document lifecycle and helps maintain a timeline of changes. Next, add a tags property. Set this as a multi-select to allow for more nuanced categorization. Tags enable you to add multiple descriptors to your documents, which aids in extended searchability and organizational flexibility. Lastly, include a file attachment property categorized under Files and Media. This lets you directly upload and attach relevant files within your database, keeping everything centralized in one place. And there you have it, your very own document management system in Notion. By following these steps, you've established a comprehensive yet straightforward way to manage and track all your essential documents. Enjoy the productivity boost that comes with this organization, and don't forget to experiment further to tailor the system to your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.